What's up, guys? Welcome back to Amazing RC. As you can see, we got our E-MAXX out here, and did a little bit of tweaking things out for a bit because as you remember, when we did the carbon fiber battery tray and put that big giant 6700 battery in there, it really weighed things down on that left-hand side. So I took the shocks, did a little bit of research first, because to be honest with you, I had really no idea what I was supposed to do with the shocks. But I researched it and found out that if you move the shocks all the way out, it'll stiffen things up a bit. So I did that, and then I also was really running pretty good. I also put a larger spur gear in there, and I did that so that it would kind of take the top end out of it a little bit. It still seems like I've got it over geared too much. It almost seems like it's a dead battery. I did get the brakes adjusted as well, so they're running well. Take it in the gravel for a second. I mean, it runs good. It's just, I'll tell you, the shocks have done the job. The shocks, I haven't rolled it over yet. So, as far as the, as far as the, oh, I should do no reverse. That's what I should do. I'll tell you what, moving the shocks to the new position has all but fixed the, it was close, wasn't it? It's all but fixed the handling. It doesn't want to roll. I mean, I'm sure I could roll it over, but it's allowing me to really throw this thing around compared to what I did last time. I'm happy with the handling. Now, I threw the fans back on it because remember, it got really warm last time. And we're going to see once we're done with everything if that has done the job. So, what else did I do? Oh, that's right. I threw the larger spur gear on there because it was getting really warm, and I thought that I may have had it over-geared quite a bit. Well, believe it or not, I still think I have it over-geared quite a bit. I tell you, I took that turn pretty good there. Let's see what we can get out of this thing. It would have rolled over before. So moving the shocks really fixed that, because I was all over the place. When I first took this out here, that battery put me in a bad spot. So very happy with the shock movement. If you want me to get more in depth on what I did with the shocks to completely fix that, let me know, and I'll do a video on it, or maybe add it to something else. I tell you, all but fixed it. Man, that thing is just a street beast now. Super happy. Look at that. You know, I do not have TSM on either. Yeah, TSM is not on, but it's still over geared. I know it is for a fact, because I'm not popping wheelies. I'm not. Now, of course, you know, you don't have to be over-geared to not be able to pop a wheelie. I'm happy with it. Very happy with it. You know, I'm going to go see if, let's do a motor check here real quick. Be back in just a second. Alright, so I got into it, and motors were warm, just like I thought they were going to be, so it's still over-geared. I'll fix that later on. But, I'm very happy with how it's performing as far as on the street right now. And I got the braking fixed where it's not going to do a somersault every time I hit the brakes, which is good. I'm very happy. Very happy. Digging it. And like I said, not using TSM right now. Not that I'm opposed to using TSM. I just haven't seen a reason to use it yet. So I'm very jacked right now. Super happy. Super happy. Let's throw her on the gravel for just a second here, and we'll see how she does here. It's doing, I'm telling you, just a little movement of the shocks, it really fixed everything. Oh, I also got rid of reverse while I had the camera off for a second there. Man, I'm very happy with this. Very happy with this. It was not driving like this at all before. Through the gravel, no problem. No problem. It did seem like it made things a little lower when I moved the shocks, but not enough to where it's over the top noticeable. I'm interested to see how fast I'm going. Sure, I'm glad that I took reverse out of there. Woo! Alright guys, well, I'm gonna wrap it up. Oh, I wanted to turn it around. That's what I wanted to do. Hold on, let me get this thing turned around here. Very happy with this. It's going exactly where I want it. I need to get the gearing fixed. That's first and foremost. Right where I want it. No problem. Turn around. Little tap, and we're gone. No TSM, and I can still work myself out of the spin. So, very happy. It's getting sluggish. Probably warmed it up pretty good here. Guys, I'm super happy with it. Obviously, you've been listening to me jabber for 10 minutes, but I'm super happy. I gotta get this geared right. Obviously, it's, you know, acting funny, but I'm gonna do that pretty much as soon as I get back home and get this back out and test it. So, guys, really appreciate you taking time out of your day to come hang out with me, man. Really do. Means a bunch. It's Brian, Amazing RC. It's my dual brushed E-MAXX. See you guys soon.